You want to say hi to everybody? Today we're going on a nature walk. Me and my wife both going on a nature walk. That's what we're doing today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share the video on other social media platforms. Let's go. Want to say hi? Alright guys, we got a long ways to go. So this video is not even close to being over. Like I said, we got ways to go. This ain't even the only trail that's here. I know the sun's bright as hell in my face. It's crazy because me and my wife came here. We got our engagement pictures done and now it's almost all dried up. Where's this at, baby, again? Rensselaer Park. And it's in what, Liberty Township, Ohio. It's crazy. But yeah, take a look. It's pretty much all dried up. It's crazy, man. As much as you guys can see right there. It's all right. Yeah, I just want to look at your ass. The what? All right. So we shall check out the bridge. Oh no, Daddy. Oh no. I don't like that. I don't like that. Nope. Yep, that was after our engagement photos, wasn't it? So that was put in after we did our engagement photos. We did those back in 2011. Just goes in a circle, don't it? You walk through a cobweb. You walk through another one. I mean, I understand that nature is nature, but dude, it stinks so bad. Like, there's so much bird shit everywhere. Sorry for the people out there that don't really like the profanity, but this is my channel. God, dude, talk about... There's so many feathers too. So many bird feathers through this trail here. But there's more bird shit than there is bird feathers. But there's a lot of bird feathers. So something is out here eating good. Mounting down on some, you know, some pigeons or something out here. Crows, whatever. And these feathers are big too. They ain't small, dude. Damn near as big as my forearm. I'm not even lying. But yeah, I think that we're almost done for today. We're gonna find out. You hear the whistle? Look at her. She's short, man. You can barely see her. Gotta stay hydrated, man. Get my beef jerky. You didn't get that? I told you to get it. I mean, you gotta have snacks, dude. No, I'm not gonna litter. One piece of beef jerky? No. It's good. Gotta get that sweet and spicy, dude. Bruce for the sweet baby rays. Alright guys, we'll be back. And we're about to be back into the car. It's been a nice little adventure today. We did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because there's a...
The wall?
Yeah.
Where?
You had you had your ring shown. Down there is where we took one of our engagement photos too. It's crazy. Mm-hmm.
There's a picture of my feet in the water.
Feet. That is some clear water, dude. That water is clear. Nice little shot here.